Happy Friday, WRCC fans, and it's another Friday walk round at WRCC, Yorkshire Minor Centre. There's a telephone number. So this morning we've got a 1967 post-production convertible. It's the third time we've had this car in. We've just bought it from its previous keeper. It's an absolutely immaculate order. And as you will know, I've remembered to go in landscape view today, so you should be able to see what it's like a little bit better. So it's got a red Everflex hood in perfect order. Paintwork's absolutely lovely. Very, very, very nice, clean car. Drives very well. It's got a servo upgrade, alternator electronic ignition, which was carried out by the previous keeper. Paintwork's in really, really, really nice order. The chrome work's obviously all good. Reconditioned wheels fitted on her and good tyres. All the rubbers are good. As you can see, there's nothing really negative to report about her condition-wise. It's got all the upgrades that you would want, really. The Holy Trinity with the servo, electronic ignition and alternator, and it's also got the Suffolk seat upgrade as well, which is, they're coming in at about £1,000 a piece nowadays, so that's a nice plus point of the car as well. So we'll have a look at the interior. Seats in perfect order, Cherokee red. Door cards original but nicely patinaed, they're not ripped, worn, torn. It's got nice new carpet set in her. Glove box liners are all good. Banjo steering wheel upgrade, which is a nice touch. The inside of the hood's nice and clean, the frame's in good order. The back seat, just jump over. The back seat's in good order, nice and clean. Again, Cherokee red, as with all the rest of the interior. Nice finish on the back parcel shelf there. Rear seat belts fitted in her, as well as front inertia belts that you can't see. As I said, it runs and drives really well. She's showing 28,579 miles. Starts and runs well. Lovely clean dash. Everything about it's nice and clean. If you're wanting a car for nice country drives to the seaside, local shows, etc., this one's probably the one for you. As I said, underside of the bonnet, no frilly edges, whatever. Good tie plates, inner wings, everything. The bulkhead's all nice and clean. Show standard engine bay, as well as new wiring loom. It's got a remote brake filler, so that's a nice touch as well. It's got a nice history file with her, which you'll see in a second when I open the boot. Nice history file. It's still got the handbook, and there's your wheel brace and jack and everything in there as well. The back lights, obviously the monkey metal, but they're not pitted at all in good order. Really, really, really nice, clean car. So if you're after something a little bit special for the spring, why not buy this? Because it's well worth the money. It's on at 15,995, so that's 16,000. And that obviously with all West Riding cars comes with 6 months warranty, 12 months MOT, 6 months breakdown cover, and it'll come out fully serviced because obviously we're in the workshop there. So speaking of the workshop, coming up we have got this nice 4-door saloon which has been prepared for sale. Obviously all nicely solid structurally now. We've done all the welding on her and the paintwork. We've got the smoke grey convertible, smoke grey traveller, which is going to have a new wood set on it, which is up there as you can see in the wood workshop. And we've also got that smoke grey 2-door being prepared at the moment. That's had the engine bay detailed, and we've also got, let's have a look what we've got in here. We've got a Maroon Bee 4-door which has been prepared up for sale. Got the clipper blue one from yesterday and the smoke grey car to be advertised as well. So lots of lovely stock coming in. If you would like to come and visit us at our new Yorkshire Minor Centre Mark II, we are literally 100 metres away from Sowerby Bridge train station and 10 minutes from the M62. So for further details, obviously the car's going to be on www.westridingclassics.co.uk today. Email inquiries at westridingclassics.co.uk for further details should you want any, or you can give us a call on 01422 881221. Ask for me, Dan, in sales, and I will do all I can to help you. You can come sit in our lovely new comfy waiting room stroke consultation room, and we can have a chat all about this lovely little Old English white with Cherokee red roof and interior convertible. Thanks guys.